Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the Nifty levels for the coming week, Monday. Uh, Here what we are going to see is the levels of Nifty. What we are getting the data from the current chart. So 1 hour chart of Nifty 50. Here we can see that the price has broken the 1 hour chart 50 moving averages, and also it has broken the major Camarilla support also for the monthly Camarilla support 15,086. So the Nifty seems to be very weak, but at the 14,900 levels we are able to see a small pullback, which is because of the breakout happened at 14,000, that is 15,000 levels in the previous period, that is February 4th. So this has been again broken, yet a small pullback has been taken place as the result of RSI, which has been moved towards nearly 26.1980, which is nearly equivalent to 20 on 19 February. So a slight pullback has been taking place. This seems to be hope that Nifty is still weaker. So this pullback may arise up to 15,100 levels, and it is expected to fall once again from the level, as it because the 15,000 near the 15,100 levels, the Camarilla support will be going to act as a resistance. There is a more chances for that. So it will meet the Camarilla S3 as a resistance, and it may again start to fall, and there is an expectation for a broad ranging of Nifty market for a certain period in this week. It may be long last up to 3 hours to a complete trading day between the levels of 14,815 to 14,950. So during that period there will be a broad range which might happen to erode both the values of put option and the call option will be undergoing a decay. So we must be very careful in 14,950 levels to 14,850 levels. If the 14,850 levels is going to be being broken, and the price is going to, if the price is going to survive below that level, and if it might be sustaining the resistance at 14,850, then there may be again a huge fall of Nifty about around 400 to 500 points up to 14,300 levels. So this huge fall may occur only when the Nifty breaks the 14,850 level after a broad range consolidation between 14,850 and 950 levels. Then we may see a huge fall if the price sustains below 14,850 level. Thus fall is expected until 14,300 level, where a strong support of 50 moving averages of day time frame is being seen. So thank you. This is the Nifty level for the upcoming week, that is the Monday 22nd February to 26th February. Thank you.